Number 7, what you eat and drink matters. What you eat plays a big role in your body's ability to heal. There are some foods that will help your recovery greatly and others that will hinder it. So clean protein, lots of green and deep coloured vegetables, berries, good fats, fibrous vegetables, fruits, all for good gut health. Now include anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. That's turmeric, ginger, garlic, green tea. All these foods will help your body to recover in the early days and months or years post-birth. Drink lots of water. Staying hydrated is really important for healing. Water, herbal teas, water-rich foods are a must. Alcohol, sugary drinks, processed sugary foods will hinder your recovery. They are generally inflammatory and they don't hold nutritional value or benefit, so pick your treats carefully.